Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to promote the game DOGWALK, which was made by the Blender team. So it's made with Blender and Godot. And it's an open source game, so you can get it for free. But if you want to support the team, then you can buy the supporter pack on Steam. And the supporter pack, it will give you some assets of the game, production art, and yeah, you will support open source development. So I think that is a good thing. So as you can see, it's the second game, and for the people that might wonder what was the first game, the first game was Yo Frankie. And yeah, perhaps when I have some time that I can try to get that working, but for the time being, let's try DOGWALK. So you can control the dog with the mouse or trackpad, and it looks like that you need to help with building that snowman. So I'm not really sure how these controls work, because it says you have to press the mouse button, but I'm not really sure if I had to press the mouse button when the pointer was a circle instead of an arrow. So okay. So now it wants to have a head, the nose, and the cane, something like that. So looks like you need to explore some more. And I think it's a cute little game. And it really shows what you can create with open source software like Blender and Godot. So yeah, I'm not much of a gamer, and haven't really played this game until the end, but I think it really looks cute. So again, if you want to support the Blender team, you can buy the supporter pack on Steam, and that will help the Blender development. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.